Convert Python script to executable file. This is the easiest way to convert your Python script into an executable file. No more complicated setups or extra software. Just a few simple steps, and you'll have a standalone app ready to go. Ready to turn your Python skills into something fun? Today, we're diving into the code behind a simple game, bringing it to life step by step. First, we'll write and test the game in Python, running it directly in the command prompt to see it in action. And here's the kicker. By the end, we'll package it all up into a standalone executable so anyone can play. No Python required. Stay tuned for a complete walkthrough on writing and transforming your code into a .exe file. To create an executable file from a Python script, you can use a tool called PyInstaller. This tool packages your Python code and all necessary dependencies into a single executable file that can run on systems without needing a Python interpreter installed. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1. Install PyInstaller. First, make sure PyInstaller is installed. You can install it via pip install PyInstaller. Step 2. Create an executable with PyInstaller. Once PyInstaller is installed, you can create an executable from your Python script. PyInstaller. Onefile game 2.py. Onefile creates a single standalone executable file. Game 2.py is the name of your Python script. Step 3. Find the executable. After running the above command, PyInstaller will generate some folders. Look in the dist folder for your executable file, which will be named python5.exe on Windows or without the .exe extension on Linux or Mac OS. Additional options. Here are some useful options you can add to your command. Windowed or W for GUI applications. Hides the console window on Windows. Icon your icon.ico. Adds an icon to your executable. Replace your icon.ico with the path to your icon file. For example, PyInstaller, onefile, windowed, icon, myicon.ico game2.p. Step 4. Run the executable. Go to the dist folder, and you should find the executable file. You can now run this file as an application on any compatible system without needing to install Python. Let me know if you'd like more details about any of these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!